This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and this video is the tutorial for the African Safari travel box card. So I have laid out all of my pieces to make sure that I have them all. And I'm just going to go ahead and start with the elephant since he's right here in front of me. I did try to make these look more realistic rather than cartoonish. So I do have two little black circles here, and these are the eyes, the eye cutouts. I should be using my pickup tool, but so you just want to put those right behind that cutout. And then this is going to layer on the piece for the trunk, which is right here. And I think that I want to pop this. So I'm going to pull out my foam tape. And I think I want to pop this layer too. I really want to try to accentuate the dimension of the elephant here. Not sure if I have to cut this down or not. I need to see this better. There. Okay. There we are. It's a little bit too high, darn it. Okay. There we go. And then I'm just going to glue it into place. I'll go ahead and fold the tabs for that. So my tree here is on the back layer of the card. Now I think that I am going to go ahead and put the front and back layer together. First. And I'm just butting this right up to the score line. I'm doing it on the table so that my bottom stays flush. So that's the most important thing here, is making sure that that's level. And now I'm going to glue this onto the base. Okay. And I think I'm going to pop this. Now, if you want to make sure that this holds for an extended period of time, because sometimes these foam squares give out, so you can just dab a little bit of glue there like I just did, just to help it out. And then we're going to flip it over, and the film strip, which is for our sentiment, I've already put together, and this is going to go right on the back. And then this is for the front. Okay. You're just going to center this right on the front. You could pop that up with some foam tape. You know, I haven't done that on any of my cards, and I bet that that would look good. Okay, so now I'm just going to set that aside and pull in my giraffe. The giraffe has 3 layers. And then the only place you may have trouble right in here, but mine cut out all these little circles beautifully, and my blade is well used, is how I would describe my blade. Well used. It's by no means new. And a fine tip glue bottle would really help through here, just to get some glue on a lot of the spots. And because there is this edge here, I was just using my finger to butt that right up against. And you just want to make sure that this eye cutout gets put on the eye cutout. I had to just slide it over just a little bit. So there he is. Okay. And then you're just going to pull your card in. Leave your tabs out flat and put glue here on this on this tab. You're just going to lay it down and just catch it right there in the corner fold. Now do the same thing with the next layer. lay it right on that layer. Okay. And I want to make sure that it's flat. Then you're going to take glue and put it on these two layers. We're going to leave this side laying flat on the table and take this side here. Make sure you're lined up across the bottom, especially if you've used any foam tape that's not allowing your card to lay flat. And I'm just going to go ahead before I fold it back the other way and put some glue on this tab to close it up. Okay, I'm going to pull in my flowers here, and I'm just going to pinch the corners of these leaves, give it a little bit of dimension. And I'm just going to put glue here on the center. And I don't know what happened to my great big stylus. I'll just use my smaller one. And there it is. There is the African Safari, or the Travel African Safari box card. Thank you for joining me.